Okay, so how's it going? We're David and Stephen Happy Pear, and we're here today to talk to you about eating healthier. Yes! Yeah, so here's some top tips. Okay, number one, try to eat more whole foods and don't beat yourself up. You know, we all have bad days. We all walk past the chipper and go, love a bag of chips. Wow. But be kind to yourself, be gentle, start with baby steps. You know, maybe it's simply starting with porridge in the mornings.
Okay, no, that wasn't one point, okay.
Point number two, I think it's all about healthier habits. So it's like, it's not an all or nothing type thing. It's not like you eat a piece of chicken, you're off the team, or you go eat a battered burger and a lot of pints, you're off the team. It's not like you're healthy or unhealthy. It's just a series of habits that make you feel better and have more energy. Yes!
Good point.
Yeah.
David?
Oh, thanks a million. I think it's simple little things like maybe eat porridge instead of cornflakes, or if you have a cigarette and a cup of coffee in the morning for breakfast and a donut, changing that to something a little more healthier. Point number three, try to eat in season if you can. Like right now, nectarines, they've just started coming from the south of France, from Spain. They're ripe, they're juicy, and they taste like summer. I could genuinely. I think also strawberries in season now. They're great. Like all the berries are going to follow. You get purple sprout and broccoli, which is another great veg. You know, it's interesting. It's only around for kind of a month or two. Okay, I'm point number four, haven't I?
Yeah.
Point number four. Okay, eat more whole grains. By whole grains, I mean like brown pasta instead of white pasta, brown rice instead of white rice. And it's as simple as this. You're going to the supermarket, there's the white one, the brown one. You just take the brown one. That's
baby step you mightn't even notice in terms of flavour, like there'd be minimal difference. And yet,
oh no, I got something now.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I got something now. Okay. So in terms of the pasta, you know, people love al dente pasta, but the brown one just tastes like it's al dente.
Very good.
I think there was a high five. Oh, give me some love.
okay, point number five. Snacks. Okay, try to, like, if you can, you know, we all love snacks. We all love, you know, food is an emotional thing. You feel tired, you feel a bit crap. Oh, where's the bar of chocolate? We all have a hankering for it, me included. And if you can just make small little changes where your snacks are just a small little bit healthier, where they're a little higher in fibre, where the sweeteners are generally coming from dates.
This is the fun bit.
So, you know, energy balls, simple, easy to make. I know my son regularly will have them kind of post-breakfast.
They're really good, they are good. They taste kind of like sweet and delicious and yummy.
Try it now on camera.
Okay.
You see this sexy sliver here?
Can I say something on this? Okay, this is the ultimate have your cake and eat it. So this is like cake that's higher in fibre, lower in sugar, tastes like cake. It doesn't taste like nuts and seeds. It's got a beautiful date caramel. I think it's next level cake. It's cake evolution.
But the whole
it's called a healthier chocolate salted caramel tart. Anyway, so that's our 5 top tips for eating healthier. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you do to eat healthy. Thanks for watching, and keep eating the vegetables. Cheers.